What if you didn't have to choose? Space when you need it. City life when you want it. Welcome to Mapperley Meadows.
The location of the development is situated in one of the most popular areas of Nottingham, just off Mapperley Plains. It's little things like having the views, being countryside, but more importantly, being not too far away from Nottingham city centre. There's properties on this development ranging from 3 to 5 bedroom homes. The most important thing for me when you're looking at modern living is that open plan kitchen dining space. However, with something like this, you've also got separation where you need it.